Hello, this is Jia. Today we are going to make Oiseon, a very special appetizer. Oiseon is traditionally royal court cuisine. This crunchy, sweet and sour cucumber was served on a special days in the palace. We're going to use a long green cucumber, trim the ends, and then we're gonna cut this in length side. So carefully cut this in half. And then what we're gonna do from now is cut this diagonally and 1, 2, 3. So the basic concept is we don't want to cut all the way down, leave a little bit on the bottom, and then on the third cut just cut them. If you cannot do this or you're not sure you're cutting properly, you put anything that has is a little lower than cucumber. I'm using chopstick. So you can put 1, 2, and then 3. So try to cut this in a bite sizes, not too long. Just concentrate and then you can easily cut this way. Put the cucumber in a bowl and we're going to brine the cucumber. About 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, and let's add about 5 tablespoons of water. Mix them. So we're going to brine the cucumber for 30 minutes. The purpose of brining the cucumber is because we want to make a vibrant green color, but also take the moisture out from the cucumber and make it crunchier. Set this aside for 30 minutes. For Oiseon, along with cucumber, we are going to use egg, shiitake mushroom, sugar, rice vinegar, and a little bit of flour. We want to finely chop or julienne the shiitake mushroom. Today we're not going to use the stem part, so save this later for stock. We want to finely julienne them. Nowadays, it's also still a great dish that you can serve on a special occasion or also as an appetizer. Is really great. Put this aside. Next is egg. We're going to split the egg yolk and egg white. And then add very small pinch of salt to egg yolk and egg white. Mix it. All ingredient is already prepped. Add about 1 teaspoon of water with flour. The reason why I'm doing this because egg white has lots of liquid, so it's very hard to cook. Doing this way makes much easier to cook. Good. Now heat the pan over medium-low heat, and we're gonna drizzle just a little bit of oil, the cooking oil, and using a paper towel, make sure it's evenly coated with little amount of vegetable oil. Let's check the temperature. I think it's warm enough to start, but to make sure, Oh, okay. It's ready. So pour the egg white to the pan. And I want to do the egg yolk as well at the other side of the pan. The egg yolk looks done. We can flip over. It looks cooked. The egg white is also done. Put this aside. In the same pan, let's add a bit more of vegetable oil. Shiitake mushroom goes to the pan. Stir fry. To season the mushroom, you may use a few drops of soy sauce or salt. Today I'm using 1 pinch of salt. The mushroom is cooked. So let's move this to the plate. The egg and the mushroom is cooked. So this is going to be, we're going to use as a stuffing for the cucumber. We want to finely cut julienne the egg yolk and the egg white. Let's trim a bit. This in half, again in half, and to the short side. Put this aside. Next is egg white. Okay. Again, the short side. It's all prepared. Shiitake mushroom, egg yolk and egg white is finely julienned and finished. Let's check if the cucumber is well brined. Okay, pick one. Carefully, if it is well brined, it can easily open. Carefully, otherwise it can break. This is okay. Since we salted the cucumber, put in the cold water, or you can rinse in a running cold water, and then drain them. Just squeeze the excess water out. Using a paper towel, just lightly press down. Let's make a dressing. So we're adding 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 pinch of salt. Then dissolve. Okay, it's done. Now the last part is we're going to stuff the mushroom with egg and shiitake mushroom. cucumbers are all stuffed. You may serve with a vinegar dressing at the side, or just pour the dressing over the stuffed cucumber just before serving. You may serve this dish in room temperature or refrigerated. Of course, you can make it ahead before guests come. It's very crunchy, delicious, and most of all, it's beautiful. I hope you love my recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.